Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a video on how to do your eyebrows at home. So ladies, never underestimate the power of your eyebrows. Your eyebrows is like a little black dress that does the magic and makes your appearance stand out every time you wear that dress. Today I'm going to show you how to do your eyebrows at home, how to fill them in, and how to twist them so they give you a nice, clean and groomed look. You just need 10 minutes of your time, and before you step out of the house you make a huge difference to your appearance. So let's get started. Move a little bit closer to the camera. I just wanted to show you how grown my eyebrows are, so you can see they are fully grown, this side as well. But before I start, there are basic rules to how to do your eyebrows. Mainly they are: choose the right shape. I'll show you a trick how to get the right shape. Second is choose the right equipment. So you can use wax, you can use tweezers, or you can use both. I mainly use wax strip and tweezers both, because the hair in this area needs to be waxed. You cannot twist them because there are so many hair and you would like to do them as soon as possible, and they're easy to pluck and you don't need any shaping. There are no shaping requirements here, which is cool. But then on this area you have to be very careful. So I'll just move a little bit closer to the camera. So first things that you would need for a good eyebrows is an eyebrow pencil. You would need 2 brushes or 2 pencils to decide on what would be the highest point of your eyebrow, where your eyebrows should start and where they should end. And you would also need a good pair of tweezers and some wax and some eyebrow pencil to fill in the brows if you have gaps. The first thing that you have to do is decide where your eyebrows should start. So you would need just 2 pencils or 2 brushes. First thing, my eyebrow should start here, which is right, it has started here. My eyebrow should start here. Where should be the highest point of my eyebrows? Just parallel to that, should be the highest point of my eyebrows, and my eyebrows should end here. They are naturally ending here. So this area of your nose, they should end here. They should end here. They shouldn't go beyond this. First thing, I'm gonna draw a line, so as per the shape, and then the next was here, so I'm gonna draw a line. And the end was here, so I'm not gonna be going beyond that. So that's the shape. I'm gonna box it for both the brows. So that's basically the boxing. Now that I have drawn the box, I know where to pluck my hair from. So I have these wax strips. You can always get wax in a jar and melt it. But what I do is make small sections of the strip, and I will first get rid of the center part, because I've already drawn it. I know where I have to take hair out from, and I just go. I'm gonna do it again and see. This area already looks clean. I am gonna start plucking my extra hair underneath my lower arch bone. So this is the tweezer I was talking about, and I would want to hold it here and start plucking the individual hair. Always pluck your brows when you have had just a shower. That will make it really easy to pluck out your hair. Make sure you stretch with one finger and then only pluck your hair. So all the hair that were below the line that you have drawn, you need to pluck all those hair. You can also wax it, but plucking is much more easier. But with wax, sometimes you can easily go over the line. You can see my eyebrows are already looking super clean, so I'm gonna pluck any hairs above these lines. I usually keep my brows a bit thick, but I will show you shortly how they look like after I erase these lines. I'm gonna move to the next brow. Always look at the shape and see if they both are matching, like they're equal. So when you have such hair that are difficult, you always go to the pointed end and you pluck it from there. And here it is. If you have a trimmer, you can always trim your hair if you don't above, like to clean your forehead around here. If you don't have a trimmer, you can always do it with your wax, but you have to be careful with wax. So I always measure this line, you can see it underneath, and I go here and I take off the excessive hair, do the same again, and do the same again. I don't know if you can see, but there are a few hair in this strip already. And then I go to the other side. You always have to see through. And then I do the same on this side. I'm gonna clean these marks with any cold cream or makeup removing product. I take it in a small cotton pad and I just remove the lines. So this is done, and then I will fill them in from the starting. And you can also draw the shape just under. And then you can finish up with some highlighter as well, just to give that in-depth look. So guys, that's how I do my eyebrows at home. I hope you like this look. So always remember that always have a well-groomed eyebrows. They can make a huge difference in your appearance, and I think it just makes you look tidy and pretty. Next time, before stepping out of the house, if the salon is not accessible, make sure you do your brows at home. Guys, if you like my video, please make sure you hit the like button, and so if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe for more beauty updates from me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.